back. Hell.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, that shit, hold on, that shit fogged up like that.
First time in a Mustang. 2019 Mustang 5.0. 10 speed. The cops is out. Bro, I'm scared to drive this bitch, bro. I ain't even about to hold you. It's supposed to stop raining at 5. It's still raining. It's just like the whole gears.
It tries that 10 to save gas.
Oh, okay.
You notice that it keeps shifting up.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Brakes are decent. Got the Brembos. I don't even got the buzz, bro. I ain't even about to hug.
You can at least turn the exhaust up. The exhaust don't run that good.
It's on now. Oh, yeah, it sound crazy now. Like lagging a little bit, like I hit the gas.
Okay, yeah.
And then like maybe it's the mode it's in, or
yeah, it's the mode. Because when it's a sport mode, it's snappy.
Hell no, it ain't no dry pavement nowhere. Maybe. I gotta get this boy on a dry day, bro.
Yeah, you do. I'm gonna come back.
For sure. Damn. I like how I do that though. It'll be ready.
I know. That's what I like too.
I guess that's the downshift when they do that. Like it'll, like it's not lagging, but it'll go down a gear, I guess.
Yeah, you can feel that. You can feel it shifting.
Can you downshift yourself?
Yeah, you got the paddle shifter.
Okay.
Like if you miss the shift, let's go do that.
How you get it to come off or turn off? Just smack it down. Okay. Like I'm mashing it and it won't go. I guess that's the, I don't know.
Yeah.
Damn, it's
like it does that sometimes, but like once you,
it gotta be because of the like mode, bro.
yeah.
There's no way it's just.
Once you pass 2,500 RPMs.
Hell no. That's the driest road I'm gonna get. It turned good though. It feel good. I like that. That's how you about to smack. Ooh. I kind of don't like these.
Paddle shifters. automatically set that to 10. Save gas. I don't know how to turn it off.
Yeah. This thing sounds good though. Sounds good. I gotta take this bitch back. Damn, bro. I don't know, this bitch gotta be fast. Like, I need to drive. I'm sick about this shit.
What's your top speed?
On my,
Yeah.
like the fastest I went, or like my actual top speed?
The fastest.
Like 155 or some shit.
That's what I have 156.
I got scared after.
Oh, yeah, I was
like,
recording that shit. I
yeah,
threw my phone down.
I'm dead. I might have to make a top speed run. That bitch gonna blow up. But yeah, you was tripping. You was tripping. This bitch sound good though. I can't say that. That's one thing I do like about it though. Imagine this bitch with 85 and tuned, and you watch MotorTube by any chance?
Yeah, I watch MotorTube. He live in Michigan, though.
Yeah, his shit for sale for like 38. It's already on 85 and everything.
I got mine for like 30, 37.
Yeah.
This is 2019.
I think a tune on these costs like 15.
Yeah, that's what-
15. Yeah, downshift that I like.
Okay, don't sit, just go sit for it.
Yeah, this boy nice. Straight a little bit.
I'll be flying. That's what going back now, that's where I be earlier.
Yeah, that's hype. Shit, we don't even gotta go back there. We can go to my crib. Oh, this shit came out right. Be pissed. Do you ever get like scratches on your front because it's too low or anything? Or I'm saying like on shit like this, like do it straight.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. You know what, I got a Malibu too. My Malibu do that shit.
Yeah.